My name is Brian. Today I'm going to walk through the process of installing your front frame stiffener on your Can-Am Command. First step in installing your front frame stiffener, use a 14mm socket and remove your wheels. Next step, you will remove your lower control arm mounting bolts using an 18mm wrench and 18mm sockets. Now that you've removed your 4 lower control arm mounting bolts, we'll begin bolting the frame stiffener brackets on. The number of holes will designate the position of which the bracket is located on the unit, 1 being the furthest forward, 2 and 3, and 4 being the farthest back. We're using an M10 by 25mm flange head bolt with your M10 by 1.5 flange head lock nut fastened to the frame. Next step, we'll fasten your second mount bracket to the frame with your M10 by 90mm flange head bolt, M10 flange lock nut. Your bracket with 3 dots, your third mount bracket, is next in installation. Use another M10 flange head bolt and flange head lock. This third mount bracket will go on the hand side of the rear portion of the lower arm. Next, you'll install your fourth mount bracket. This will go on the rear leg of the lower control arm, fastening to your frame with an M10 by 25mm flange head bolt, and M10 flange lock nut. Next, you replace your lower control arm mounting bolts with the provided M12 by 100mm flange head bolt with M12 flange head lock nut. Next, you'll install your shims in between your base plate and your second and third mount bracket. We'll use an M8 by 25mm bolt and M8 flange lock nut to fasten it. Go ahead and fully tighten all your mounting hardware that goes through the base plate first, and then fully tighten your lower control arm mounting bolt. All your mounting hardware tightened, you're ready to remount your tires at the trail.